Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Today I'm going to be colouring a digi by Twistoon that can be found on the store, link in the description. It's a story of two eggs that are hiding during an Easter egg hunt. I'd like to primarily show you how to colour in daisies and how to create depth when you're colouring grass during this tutorial. But I've left the colouring of the Easter eggs in there just so you can follow along if you'd like. I'm going to speed up the colouring of the eggs a little bit now so that we can get to the daisies and the long grass. I'm not putting any music on during the video because normally I don't really like the music kind of repeats on YouTube and stuff like that. So, and I'm guessing that you'd rather listen to your own music and choose it yourself, but let me know if you'd like me to add music in the background of these videos. So now I'm going to show you how I do the daisies. We're going to start off by colouring in the middle, and the important part to see here is you colour like a bubble or any round shape, but the shadow that you do, it has to be irregular with these little points on there, and that's kind of makes the gives the texture of the middle of the flower or the daisy. With the petals, it's important to, of course, make the middle of the flower stand out with the shadows going towards the middle, and it seems to always look good when you have a shadow going from the middle of the petal to the top of the petal. And there you go, that's about it. So I use blue and grey usually for daisies, and a bit of purple that I'll add a bit later on, because I think the purple usually complements very well the yellow. So for the grass, what I'm going to do is start by colouring it all in one colour. And all I really wanted to show you with this tutorial, and it's why I made it a very quick tutorial, is the way that we create depth in grass is by making the pieces of grass that are behind, that are further back, darker. That's really all you have to do to get a good effect for grass. And what I think also is a very good idea is that you keep the grass the same kind of tone. I mean, don't use a yellowy green with a bluish green and keep it the same tone and then add the darker colour behind, because I think you have to keep it simple. I've seen quite sometimes you see colouring and it's a bit like you've got a bit of a zebra look if you add too many different colours. So try and keep it simple. So here I'm going in with the darkest green, the YG97, and I'm colouring the blades of grass that are very much behind everything else. So it goes from the front with the lighter green, the mid-tones, the grass which are in the middle with a mid-tone green, and the darkest green for the grass that's behind. And try and keep them the same kind of shade of green, because otherwise it looks that you've just got different grass, but in fact we're not creating different grass. What we're doing is we're creating the same grass but at different levels, different distance from us. Okay. So once I've got the different tones how I'd like them, I think this is quite a good effect. They look, I haven't got too many in front or I haven't got too many behind. That's just about the right touch. I went over with a sort of neutral green to kind of blend everything out. And so now all that's left to do is add some jelly roll and we're done. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'll make a longer version of this if anyone would like. I know it's a bit quick, but you know, as the idea is a bit simple, I didn't see the point in doing something like really long, but I'll post a longer video of this so that you can colour along. So this is the final picture, all scanned in, and you could, as I said before, you can find this picture to colour in at Twistoon. I'll leave the link in the description. Have a lovely day. Bye.